All right, let's go ahead and talk about using Store It, and I'll give you the step-by-step instructions. But I do want to remind you, this is a great product because whether you're storing your RV for 1 day or 1 month or 6 months, you might as well let your tank get cleaned while it's sitting in storage. So it's a great product. Just keep in mind, if you're in a freezing temperature, you don't want to do this one. Outside of freezing temperatures, you're good to store it for as long as you want. There's nothing that can damage anything inside the tank. So what we're going to do is first open your valve and dump your black tank. Now let's go ahead and rinse the black tank very well. We want to get whatever we can out of there. With your black tank valve closed, fill your tank completely full by holding down the foot pedal on your toilet. Keep filling it until it starts to back up into the bowl. Now you know your tank is completely full. Head back outside, open your black tank valve, and let it rip. Now your tank is completely rinsed. Now go ahead and close your black tank and let's head back into the RV. Go ahead and take the bottle and shake it very well. We want to make sure the bacteria that's at the bottom is now in solution so you can get a nice mix of bacteria. Now go ahead and pour about 8 ounces into your toilet. So the bottle has 32 ounces. It doesn't have to be exact, but just try to pour about 1/4 of the bottle into the toilet. And now go ahead and flush it into the tank. Now go ahead and fill your black tank completely full. And that's it. You can let it sit here for a few days, a few weeks, a few months, and know that your black tank is getting incredibly clean and you have to do nothing. You just let it sit there. Couple things to keep in mind. One, you want to make sure your black tank is totally full. It does you no good if you aren't cleaning every nook and cranny and making sure that you get all those ledges. A lot of residual smells are because of waste getting stuck on the tank ledges, and by filling the tank completely full, you can clean all of those areas. The other thing to keep in mind is when you're done using Store It, when you pull the RV out of storage, it's always a good idea to dump the tank before you drive. It's not a good idea to drive with a full tank. There's just a lot of water inside that tank, and that's a lot of weight. You can't guarantee these tanks are secured that well, so dump your tank as soon as possible. Obviously, if you have to get to a dump station, that's fine. Just don't go on a long journey with a full tank. And that's all you need to know is Store It.